CCW, DIY design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Guys, I am coming to you with another collaboration. But guess what? It is not a tablescape collaboration. This one is the outdoor space update, and it is hosted by the lovely Marilyn, and her channel is Fabulous Designs on a Budget. Now she has two co-hosts, Shangie of Shangie's Living Life to the Fullest and Vee-ology. All three of these ladies have fantastic content. If you don't subscribe to their channels, please go over, show them some love today. Make sure you tell them Candy sent you. Additionally, please go down and check the playlist so that you can see what all the other creators have done for this outdoor space update. Now, just want to take a minute to explain my outdoor space. So we're going to be looking at my side patio, and this is the patio right off of my kitchen. I also have a front porch and a backyard that we won't be looking at today. The front porch is done, but the backyard I'm still working on, and this patio is still being worked on as well. Now I'm gonna link up above a video that shows what this house looked like when I took it on 2 years ago. And for those of you that don't know, for about 2 years now, I've been restoring a complete fixer-upper. The home had been abandoned for years, and although it was a brick home with good bones, it needed a ton of work, and I've done all the work myself. So that was what prompted me to even start the YouTube channel. So this patio has not been used. I'm gonna show you a little photo here, a little snapshot of what the patio, this area, this side patio looked like the day I saw it. For the first time, actually, when I came to look at the house. Okay, so you get the idea. It was not in great shape. So after some major cleanup, I've had so many projects to do inside that I just kind of got this area cleaned up, got the air conditioner installed, and I left it. You know, I really haven't done much to it since then, other than come out and sweep up and things like that. So beginning of this year, I had 4 or 5 major trees that were sitting above the retaining wall cut down. And I've been slowly working on getting the retaining wall, repaired, because it's got some areas that needed some work. I've been working on doing some resurfacing of the patio. I've got some of it done. It's not complete. And things like that. Just doing some major cleanup of the area. And we've never set out here. You know, my honey and I just never used the outdoor space. I mean, we did in our previous home, but we never did it here because it just wasn't usable. So what I did, you'll be watching this video after Memorial Day, but what I did is do some cleanup and create a nice little sitting area that we could use for Memorial Day and actually sit outside for the first time since we moved into this home. So I'm going to stop talking now. I'll let you see what I did. But briefly, this is a patio set that I thrifted some time ago. I just spray painted the thing. I added an umbrella that I picked up at Walmart. I have a lot of those, or maybe 3 or 4 of those lanterns, so I added one of those. I picked up a rug on sale at Big Lots, and voila, we now have a place that we can sit out. So again, this isn't fancy stuff, but hey, you know what? It's home. So guys, again, I'm going to put on some music, let you kind of look around, and then maybe I'll come back at the end and say a couple words to you. Okay guys, I just wanted to jump on for a second and thank you so much for watching the video. And again, please feel free to like, comment, share. I welcome all of your comments. And again, if you do not subscribe to this channel currently, I really hope you'll do that. I hope you'll do that today. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, or tap it 2 times so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Also, make sure that you visit that playlist and make sure that you go check out Marilyn and her channel, Shangie, Vee-ology. And again, Marilyn is Fabulous Designs on a Budget. Shangie is Shangie Living Life to the Fullest, and Vee-ology. Thank you again, guys. Have a fantastic day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.